Good morning, children. Let us start our classes with a new topic. You remember which topic is going on and which chapter is going on? Chapter 4 is going on. And what is the topic today's? Separation of substances. Which type of mixture we are studying? Mixture of liquid with liquid. Liquids with liquid. In the earlier previous classes, we have studied about the immiscible liquid. How will we separate immiscible liquid from each other? But today I will discuss about the miscible liquid. Miscible liquid. When two liquid mix each other completely, there is no visibility of the different separate layers. That is the miscible liquid. Miscible liquids means two liquids mix with each other. So such type of mixture we will separated by different method of separation. We have studied different type of separating method. So today I have taken a different method of separation. Or which type of mixture today I have taken? Mixture of two miscible liquids. Mixture of two miscible liquids. Liquids which get dissolved with each other. So such type of mixture gets separated by a different process. So such process is called distillation process. Have you never listened such type of separation method? So this is a distillation process. Distillation process. I will discuss with you what is the distillation process. How the which type of mixture or which type of liquid gets separated by distillation process. I have written few words on the board. So come on to the board. Come to the board. Come. I have written on the board. Look at here. This is miscible liquid. Miscible liquids. Miscible means two liquids mixed together. Liquids mixed together. This is the miscible liquid. I have also defined the what is the miscible liquid. Liquids which dissolve each other is called miscible liquids. Is it clear? Is it clear? What is first miscible liquid? You can ask with your teacher, ma'am, what is miscible liquid? So liquid, miscible liquids are those which dissolve each other is called miscible liquids. Such type of when two miscible liquid get mixed with each other, when two miscible liquid get mixed with each other, so how they are separated from each other? How they are separated from the mixture of liquid with liquid. So that type of liquid gets separated by distillation process. I have also written distillation. What is distillation? So distillation is a process of separating two miscible liquids. I have also written what is distillation. Look at it. Distillation. D-I-S-T-I-L-L-A-T-I-O-N. Distillation. So distillation is a process of separating two miscible liquids. Is it clear? What is distillation? Distillation is a process of separating two miscible liquids. I have also defined the miscible liquids and what is distillation and how this process going on, how the distillation process is going on. I can't perform an activity or demonstration in front of you, but I will discuss little bit on the board how this type of mixture gets separated from each other by the process of distillation. Distillation. So whenever we separate two miscible liquid from each other, so there must be the boiling point of two liquid must be different. Two liquid, boiling point of two liquids must be different. I am just showing through this board. I am just cleaning this board. Cleaning. Yes. Look at the board. Look at two miscible liquid. Boiling point must be different. As I have discussed, all the material around in the world that have different density, just like that in our surrounding, as we go around the world, the different type of liquids are there, but all liquids having different boiling point. As you know, water boils at 100 degree. Is it clear? Everybody knowing water boils at 100 degree temperature. Just like that, I am writing boiling point. Look at here. This is water. Water start boiling at 100 degree centigrade. Just like acetone is a chemical, acetone, its boiling point is 56.3 degree centigrade. One alcohol, do you know alcohol? Alcohol is a beverage. Alcohol, its boiling point is 78.5 degree centigrade. Look at here, 100 degree, 56 degree and 78 degree. All these are the liquid. All these are the liquids. Is it clear? All these materials are liquid and all these materials having different boiling point. And just drawing one picture. When we mix water with acetone, suppose this is a flask. Suppose this is a flask. Look at here, conical flask. This is conical flask. This is a conical flask. This having water, mixture of water and acetone. Having mixture of water plus acetone. Water and acetone. Do you know boiling water is 100 degree and acetone is 56 degree. When we apply heat from there, it started boiling. So which will start first, water or acetone? Which of the two, water or acetone, which will start first? Water having 100 degree centigrade, this is having 56.3 degree centigrade. So which liquid start evaporating first? Which one? Acetone will start evaporating first. Acetone will start evaporating first. Okay, start evaporating. Here I will arrange a pipe. I will stop it by cork. This is a pipe. This is a pipe. I will put a beaker here. Look at here. This is a beaker. Okay. This is a beaker. And this is the pipe. Okay. I will keep a condenser here. Condense means that keep the vapor, change the vapor into water form. As the vapor evaporated from here, this vapor passing through this pipe, vapor coming out. Here this is the condenser. Condenser means ki vapor get cooled with the help of condenser. This vapor get condensed and turns into liquid. Vapor comes here and turns into liquid. This liquid get collected into this beaker. This liquid get collected into beaker. Here I will just adjust a thermometer, and reading is 56, or it may be little bit 1 or 2 degree above the thermometer. This first, which liquid get started evaporating? So acetone will get start at, as the temperature reaches near about 50 degree, acetone get evaporated and passing through this pipe. Here this is the condenser. This condenser cool the vapor and this vapor get changes into liquid form. This liquid get collected into beaker. In this way acetone get separated from the water. In this way acetone get separated from water. Is it clear? Any problem? The mixture of two liquid gets separated by, look at here, water boil at 100 degree and acetone 56. So you get remember the boiling point of water and the acetone and the alcohol. Just like that, when we mix this water with alcohol, and same process we will apply. Here the mixture of alcohol and water, so this temperature get changed. This alcohol start evaporating and it's 78.5 degrees centigrade. It start evaporating and they get vapors get collected here and they get cool and condense and convert into liquid form. This liquid get collected here, alcohol get collected in this beaker. In this way the mixture of water and acetone gets separated, or the mixture of water and alcohol gets separated to only the temperature is measured here. In this way two miscible liquid gets separated from each other. Such type of mixture gets separated by distillation process. Distillation process. Such mixture gets separated by distillation process. As I think you have understood my activities or my the teaching and what is the definition of miscible liquids and the what is distillation process and which type of mixture to miscible liquid gets separated by distillation process, you have understood better. If you not understood, then you will clear in during the classes with me. Thank you. And today I would like to conclude my class. Thank you. Have a nice day.